Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So welcome to LearnWage. I hope you all are doing very well. So in this video today, we are going to see the application of trigonometry of previous year question. Okay, so make sure you will stay till the end of the video to learn the amazing tips and tricks to solve the questions that is coming in this board examination. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you will get a regular updates of our video. Okay, so let's start this video. Now we will see the first question, that is 2024. Okay, so the first question, it is saying from a point on a ground, okay, which is 30-meter away from the foot of vertical towers. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree and the height in the meter of tower. Okay, again this is a MCQ question, so we don't have to expend so much time, so directly we can understand. So it is saying the point, so point which means this is up a point we will take here. So here if I will say this point, we will take a name as A. So from this point there is a 30-meter away, so this is 30-meter we can take, and there is a vertical tower, this is a vertical tower. So vertical tower here it is given, and this vertical tower height we can say CB. Okay, and this vertical tower there is a point of elevation, so you can say this is a 60 degree. Okay, now and this is 90 degree. Okay, so you can see this is a right angle it's forming. So here you can say BC is your height of the tower, height of tower. Okay, what the information you will get, we will write in the question. Okay, and A is a observation point. Okay, A we can say observation point. Okay, so now here it is saying we have to find in this question the height of the tower. Okay, so let's start this height of the tower, we can say H. So BC is equal to H. Okay, so first in this question we can say the point that is away from the point of observation AB. AB distance, that is AB, is given how much? 30 meter. Okay, and angle of observation it is, that is angle of elevation. Here you have seen angle of elevation, it is given how much? CAB is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now here we have to basically find H, height of the tower. So in this one we can say, hey, let the triangle we can take here ABC. Okay, and in this triangle you have to find the height of the tower. So you can see the base is given, height we have to find, so we can utilize here tan formula. So tan 60 degree is equal to that is perpendicular over base, so we can say BC over AB. Okay, so here tan 60 value already you know how much you have getting, that is √3. Okay, is equal to H over AB. AB is given how much? 30 meter. Okay, so we can do here. So H is equal to, we can say cross multiplication. So 30 √3. Okay, meter. Okay, so which means the option B is correct. Okay, that is a height of tower. Hope you have understand this one. Now see the second question. Here it is saying that is again a word problem, because application of trigonometry word problem is coming. So you have to read the question at least 2 times. So here it is saying the man on a cliff observed a boat at an angle of depression is 30 degree, which is approaching to the shore to the point immediately beneath the observer with uniform speed, and 6 minutes later the angle of elevation of the boat is found to be 60 degree. So here you can say angle of elevation is changing. Find the time taken by boat from here to reach the shore. Okay, so we have to first draw the diagram. Always you have to draw the diagram, and so you can understand the figure. So first it is saying the boat is at, let's see, we will say boat is at point P. Okay, and there is a, you can say approaching the shore, immediately observing a uniform speed. Okay, so here we can say this is our observing point A. Okay, now so here you can say this is our figure. So this is a shore. Shore is B basically, we can say. Okay, and here we can see from this one. So this one is observing. Okay, so now here you can say this is a point of observer. So here angle of depression, it is coming how much, 30°. So this is your 30°. Now the boat is again moving forward. So now it is reached the point Q. So again from this point Q, you can see the observer. So now this is how much angle it is forming. This is 60°. Okay. So now it is coming a 60°. Okay. So which means, so this angle you will get how much? So corresponding angle. So 30°, and this one you will get 60°. Okay, so here you can say we can write the information, all the points. So we can say AB be the cliff. Okay, and here we can say point A is observer point. So where the people is standing, so we can say observer point. Okay, now so initially boat is at P. So you can say initially boat at P, and to reach the Q, it is taking how much time? You can say to from P to Q. It will taking how much? 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes it is taking from P to you have this one. So from Q. So that is taking 6 minutes. Now after that we can say here angle, this point you can take X. So X A P is equal to angle A P B is equal to 30°. And same way you can say angle X A Q is equal to angle A Q B is equal to 60°. Okay, so this much information we have given. So we will say let the speed of boat. Speed of boat is we can take some variable. So we can say x meter per minute. Okay, and here distance, basically distance is traveling how much? So distance is basically we can say distance is PQ. Okay, and the PQ how we can find? So basically you know the speed to time. Okay, so how much you have speed here given x, and time is given how much you have, that is 6 minute. So which means your distance you will get 6x. Okay, so hope you understand this much. Now after that, so let we have to calculate the time. So we can say, hey, let it takes t minutes to reach from Q to B. Okay, so the distance will be, so distance will be how much? Distance is we can say BQ is that a distance. So how we can find distance? Again, speed into time. So how much we have taken the speed? So speed is x, and how much time we have taken? T. So you will get how much? T x meter. Okay, tx meter. So both distance you will get it here. Okay, now in this one, so we have to take the triangle APB. APB. Okay, so first we will take a triangle APB. So in triangle APB, so we can say, hey, tan 30° is equal to, we can say AB over PB, because tan is equal to how much? We can say perpendicular. Hope you remember, perpendicular over base. So based on that we can take. Okay, so now we have know the tan value. Tan value is coming how much? Tan 30. So 1 over root 3. Okay, and perpendicular we don't know. So we can say AB. And after that, base we know. Base, you can say here, if I have to find the base, that is PB, from this point to this point, base. Okay, so here you can say in this point here, so this one you have got how much? 6x, and this one you have got how much? Tx. So total is equal to how much? You can say 6x plus tx, total distance. Okay, so we can substitute the value here based on that. So here we can say, so here PB is equal to tx plus 6x. Now after that you can say in both x is common, so we can say 1 over root 3 is equal to AB over x, we will take a common, so we can say t plus 6. Okay, now after that we will do the cross multiplication. So here you will get AB is equal to x times t plus 6 over root 3. Okay, so here you can say we have a x value, so we have to make one more equation. So now for that you can take this as a equation 1. Okay, now based on that we can say in triangle we can take ABQ. Okay, so ABQ, you can see this triangle, so ABQ. Okay, this is your ABQ triangle. Okay, so now in same way you can substitute here, you can again take a tan 60. So we can say tan 60 is equal to again perpendicular over base, so we can say AB over BQ. Okay, so which means tan 60 value is coming root 3 is equal to AB over, and BQ is equal to how much? XT. Okay, so again you can do the cross multiplication. So here you can do the cross multiplication. So you can say root 3 times XT is equal to AB. So this you can say equation 2. So now you can say your AB from equation 1 is equal to AB of equation 2. So we can say, so from equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so we can say, now we can say here x times 6 plus t over root 3 equal to, we can say here root 3 xt. Okay, now we can do the cross multiplication. So we can say x times 6 plus 3, so x plus 6 plus t is equal to root 3 times root 3 xt. Okay, so how much you will get here? X times 6 plus t is equal to 3 xt. So now you can cancel this x both this side. So after that you will get how much? You will get here a 6 plus t is equal to 3t. Okay, so now this 3 will transpose to other side. So you can say 6 is equal to 3t minus t. Okay, so you can subtract this one. So you will get how much? So 6 is equal to 2t. Now after that we can say, so t is equal to 6 over 2. So which means it will come 3. So which means time is equal to reach, that is 3 minutes. Hope you understand this one. So this 2 question is came in the 2024. Now we can see the again question of 2023, that is again MCQ question. Now it is saying in this question, if a pole of 6-meter height and cast it a shadow of 2√3 meter long on the ground, okay, and the sun elevation is, means basically you have to find the elevation angle. So first we have to draw the triangles, okay. So this is our triangles, okay. So here you can see this is our triangles. So in this one it is saying the pole is how much, 6 meter long, okay, and cast its shadow is how much, 2√3 meter, okay. Got it. Now after that we have to find this elevation angle, okay, that is theta. So we can mark this is a observer point, B, C. So in this one you can see we have given the perpendicular and base, and we have to find the angle of elevation. So where we are using the perpendicular and base, where, tan. So we can say here in this one, tan theta is equal to, we can say, BC over AB, that is perpendicular over base. Now tan theta, we can say tan theta is equal to BC is given how much, 6, and you have given the AB. AB is 2√3. So which means this and this will get cancelled. So you will get 3. So now tan theta is equal to 3√3. So now you can do the rationalization. So that is rationalization. So you will get how much? So tan theta is equal to, you will get √3. Okay. So when you will getting a tan value √3. So you remember tan √3 you are getting at 60 degrees. So we can say tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. So theta is equal to 60 degree. So which means your option A is correct. Okay. Hope you understand this one. Now coming about next question. Again, this is 2023 question. So understand question very clearly. So make sure at least you can read the question 2 to 3 times when you're getting a confused. Okay, so again, this is based on the change of angles based on angle of depression. So it is saying a straight highway lead to the foot of a tower, okay, and a man standing on the top of 70-meter height observer, and two cars at an angle of depression, that is 30 degree and 60 degree, which are approaching to the foot of the towers. Okay, if one car exactly behind the other on the same side of the tower, so find the distance between the two cars. So you can understand there is two car that is approaching the highway, going in a highway, and that is approaching to the foot of a towers. Okay, now so here someone is standing at tower and observing the cars. Okay, so let we, and what is the height of observer, that is where, so 70-meter height. Okay, so first we can say, hey, first we have to draw the figure. So we can say, hey, this is height of the tower. Now there is two car is coming. Okay, so first car, this is your one car behind other. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, and sorry for my figure. Okay, so I'm not good at drawing, so make sure you can understand the figure. Okay, so here you can say this is your car, this is, we can say, point A. So here this is car 1. Okay, this is point B. Okay, there is car 2. Okay, and this you can say point C, and this is D, and this CD is a, that is 75 meter, that is a height of tower. Okay, now after that it is saying someone is observing here, so we can say here the observing, because it is given the angle of depression. So the first one, the first car, which is making here how much? Here 30 degree. Okay. And the second car is making how much? 60 degree. Okay. So which means this angle is also 60 degree. Okay. And this angle is also 30 degree. Okay. So hope you understand this much. Now, after that, first we will take here in triangle A, C, D. Okay. Triangles. Okay. That is of car 1. Okay. So now in this one, we can say, hey, tan 30 degree is equal to, you know, the tan value is perpendicular over base. So we can say DC. DC is perpendicular and base is that is AC. Okay. So based on that, we can say tan 30 value is coming how much? 1 root 3, and DC you have given 75, and AC we have to find. So AC we have to find. So here we can solve cross multiplication. So AC is equal to 75 times root 3. Hope you got it. Now, same way we can now, here it is saying to find the distance between them. Okay. So here for finding a distance between the both the car. So distance between the two car, how we can find distance between two car, between two cars. So we can say here AB is equal to AC minus BC. So now you can see here we have got the AC. Okay. Now we have to basically find here what? BC. So same way we can take in triangle BCD. Okay. So here same way we can take the tan 60 degree is equal to, we can say DC over BC. Tan 60 value you will getting how much? Root 3 is equal to, we can say 75 over BC. Okay. So now we can say BC is equal to 75 over root 3. Hope you're getting this one. Now, based on that, we can substitute here value. So you can substitute here value simple. So AC you have already know. AC is 75 root 3, and BC you have got 75 over root 3. Okay. So now you can take the LCM. So LCM you will get how much? Root 3. So 75 times root 3 times root 3 minus 75. Okay. So it can solve this one. So 75 times root 3. So you will get here 75 times 3 minus 75 over root 3. Hope you understand how I have taken here. So 75 times uh, uh, 3. So you will get 225 minus 75 over root 3. So you will get here that is 150 over root 3. Now after that you can do the rationalization. So you can say 150 times root 3 over root 3. Okay. So root 3. So you will get 150 times root 3 over 3. So this one get cancelled. That is how much? 50 times. And you know the root 3 value is how much? So, so now you know the root 3 value. So you can say 50 times root 3, which means, so root 3 value is 1.732. Okay, so you can multiply. So you will get near about 86.71 meter. which means your correct answer is 86.71 meter distance between the two cars. Hope you understand this one. Now, this is a fifth question we have. So it is saying from the top of 7-meter high building, means a building is height and their top 7-meter height. Okay. The angle of elevation of a top of cable is 60 degree. Means here it is saying angle of elevation is 60 degree. And angle of depression is to its foot is 30 degree. Okay, so determine the height of the tower. So basically, it is saying there is a building. Okay, and there is basically you can say. So in this question, it is saying simple. There is a uh, tower. Okay, so in that tower, top 7-meter height. So it is making a some elevation of angle 60 degree and depression with the foot that is 60 degree, 30 degree. Okay, we have to find the height of the tower. So we can say, hey, let's this one, we can say this is a tower height. Okay, now here, this is a building. Building top, we can say this is 7-meter. Okay, now, and in this one, it is making to the foot. This is foot of the tower. So it is making the foot of the tower with the angle of depression is how much? 30 degrees. So we can say this is making 30 degree. Okay. And this one is your top is how much? 7-meter. Okay. Now after that, it is saying from that, it is making that point the angle of elevation that is 60 degree. Okay, the same point. Now here you can say this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Now after that, we have to find the height of the building. Okay, height of the tower. Okay, so we can mark this as A, this you can say B, and this you can say C, D, and this one E. So here you can say, hey, BD, BD is your height of the tower. Okay, height of tower we have to find here. Okay, so this height of tower we can say H. Okay, now based on that, we can here first we can take a the upper triangle, that we can say tan 60 is equal to, we can say tan is always perpendicular over base, so we can say BC over AC, we can write here. So tan 60 value is how much? √3. And BC, we don't have given BC, and how much we have given AC, so AC also not given. Okay, so we can say here BC is equal to cross multiplication, so √3 over AC, we have got it. Now, so based on that, we can take a second triangle. In triangle, we can take AC, ACD. Okay, so in triangle, so in triangle ACD. Okay, so again in this triangle we can take tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, we can say here based on that CD over AC. Okay, so CD over AC, how much we have got here? So we can say here tan 30 value is, you already know, that is 1 over √3. And CD, you know, it is equal to AD. So that we can say AE 7-meter, and AC we don't have given. So based on that, we can say cross multiplication AC is equal to √3, 7 √3. Now you can say this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. Okay, so now we can say equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So here we can say from equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, and equation 2. Okay, so we can say here BC is equal to √3 AC. Okay, now we got AC value is how much? 7 √3. So we can substitute √3 times 7 √3. So which means you will get 3 times 7. So which means will get how much? 21 meter. Now the question is asking, hey, this we have got it here BC. We have got it BC. BC is 21 meter. So BC is basically you have got this height, that is 21 meter. Okay. Now already you know the CD is how much? That is given 7 meter. Okay. So the total height of the tower is how much? So we can say total height of the tower. Total height of tower is equal to how much? We can write here, uh, here BC. So we can write here that is BC plus CD. Okay. So BC you got how much? 21 meter plus you can say 7 meter. So which means total height you will get how much? 28 meter. Hope you understand this question. So this is very important question in compared to this year examination. So make sure you will not miss. Okay. Now coming about next question. It is also easy and interesting one. So it is saying a ladder against a wall at an angle of 45-degree to the ground, which means a ladder is keeping there against the ground and making an angle of 45-degree. If the foot of the ladder is pulled away from the wall through a distance 4 meter, the top slide 3 meters down and wall make an angle 30-degree with the ground. So find the final height of the uh, top of the trial ladder from the ground and length of the ladder. So basically here there is a ladder. If I will say this is a wall, okay, this is a wall, you can say. So in this wall there is one ladder is keeping. So you can say this is your ladder that is keeping, and this ladder is making with the wall how much angle? That is 45-degree. Okay, 45-degree. Now it is saying we have to push the ladder. So we have pushed how much? You can say distance of 4 meter. So we have pushed this ladder from this point so to 4 meter. Okay, and now the ladder is making an angle here how much? That is 30-degree. Okay, this is making 30-degree. So here basically, and this will also decrease, this will come 3 meter down. So you can say 3 meter, and this one basically here you have a given this much figure. So now we can mark this figure. So the first point A, the B, AB is basically you can say wall. Okay, and after that you can say this C, and this is E. Okay, now so we have to here find the height of the, here it is saying first final height of the top of the ladder from the ground. So basically we have to find this height. Okay, so we can say hey this height, so we can say H, and this point we can say D. Okay, and after that it is saying the length of the ladder. We have to find the length of the ladder also, which means either you can find AE or CD. So we can say, hey, this one we have to find Y, and same way this one also we have to find here X and Y. Okay, so let's start this one. So first one in this question, we can take a triangle. In triangle, we can say A, B, E. ABE. So you can say AB, basically the starting triangles ABE. So ABE, we can say tan 45-degree. Here we can say tan 45-degree. You know, tan is perpendicular over base. So we can say AB over BE. Okay. Now, based on that, so we know the tan 45 is equal to how much? 1. And AB we have given how much? That is a 3 plus H. And BE we have don't given, so we can write BE is given X. We have taken the BE has a X, so we can substitute B is equal to x. Now, so you can say x is equal to how much you will get? 3 plus h. Okay. Now, so now same way we can take another triangle. So in this triangle we can say in triangle DBC. Okay, the triangle that after a ladder is shift. So we can say here we can take tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree we can say again that is DB over BC. Okay, so dB is equal to BC. So tan value, you already know tan 30 value is 1 over root 3. Okay, that is equal to dB, you can say H, and BC you can say here that is 4 plus X. So you can say 4 plus X. So based on that, you can do the cross multiplication. So here you will get 4 plus X is equal to root 3 h. Okay, now already you have finded the x value. So now you can substitute the x value here. So you can say 4 plus 3 plus h. So now here you can say substitute x value. Okay, so you will get root 3 h. So now you can say this one you will get 7 7 plus h is equal to root 3 h. Now you can transpose the h on the other side. So you can get 7 is equal to root 3 h minus h. So now you can take common. So you can write here h is equal to root 3 minus 1. Okay, now based on that, hope you understand this one. So now next one we have take here h is equal to 7 over root 3 minus 1. Value you can say 7 minus 1.732 minus 1. So that one you will subtract. So you will get 7 over 0.732. Okay, so after that you can solve, divide them. So you will get 9.56 meter, which means the height you will get how much? 9.56 meter. Now we have to find the other things. So here again we can take, hey, sine 45 degree is equal to here the small triangle we can take in this one. So sine 45, because we have to find, here we can say, because we have to find the height of the ladder, sine 45 is equal to AB over AE. So now you have already AB, you have got it, and sine 45 is 1 over root 2 is equal to 3 plus H over AE. Okay, so AE you can say. Now, so based on that you can solve here. So here you can say AE is equal to 3 plus H times root 2. Okay, so AE is equal to H value already you know, that you can say 3 plus 9.56 times, and root value you already know how much? 1.414. Okay, now you can get here, you can solve this one. So 3 plus 9.56, you can say 12.56 times 14414. So you can multiply, so you will get 17.76 meter. So which means height of the ladder is how much? 17.76 meter. This is the height of ladder. Okay, height of ladder. Hope you have got it, this question. So I hope you understand these 2024 and 23 questions. Okay, And if you have any question, you can just put a comment section. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy a video and it will found helpful, so don't forget to give a thumbs up and also share with your friends who are appearing for this 2024 to 25 board examination. And most important, follow our social media channels that by the name of LearnWiz, so get a regular updates of our upcoming video. And leave a comment section below if you have any suggestion, anything you want to add in our video. Okay, so we can definitely implement that one. Okay, clear? So we will see in the next video. Till now, bye bye for and all the best for your board examination.